Hey, good morning, traders. This chart right here I've got up. If you go to currencystrengthtrader.com, and currency strength trader is one word, it'll bring up this chart right here you're seeing. And what it is, this is the Euro US dollar. I believe the default comes up as a 1 hour chart. I changed mine to the 1 minute because I predominantly am a scalp trader. Under the indicators, what you do is pick the divergence indicator. As you can see, the name of it there at the bottom. And as you can see here, we've got a red line drawn with the word bear on it. And what this divergence indicator does, it looks for divergence between the price and the strength of the way the market's moving. And when this pops up, as you put the crosshairs right here, you can see go up at that time. The price of the euro was at 119.18, and the bear says you should take a short trade. Well, it did go up to 119.23, about a 5-pip move, but if you would hang on to it, as you can see, it's moved down to 119.10. So that that's about a 9-pip scalp. I have found that this indicator on this website is pretty reliable. Now, I noticed I watched it yesterday from about 4 o'clock in the morning till around noon. It had about 3 or 4 signals. It's not one of these indicators that pops up and has a signal every 3 minutes. It just pops up when it finds a divergence, which again yesterday was 3 or 4 times. I don't remember exactly, but if you watch that, I have found that every time when it popped up, and it also will pop up and say long. If it finds that the market's lower and it shows divergence to the upside, it'll go in for long. It's just not for short trading. Every time yesterday it was 4 for 4, and this one right here makes about 5 for 5 signals that I have seen that this indicator on this chart has been right. So I mean, if you make 4 or 5 trades a day and make 3 to 5 pips off each one, depending on the lot size you're trading, you could make some decent coin. I think it's definitely worth looking into. And again, it's currencystrengthtrader.com. I'll put a link to it in the description, and I believe you should check this thing out. This could make you some money.